If you want some super cool fonts that are going to make your products stand out from the crowd, I'm going to show you a bunch of graphic fonts in Canva that you can use for your digital products, printables, and print-on-demand products. I'm going to warn you though, if you start looking at these graphic fonts, you might end up going down a rabbit hole and spending hours and hours looking for really cool fonts because it's very addicting. You can find fun lettering for just about any project that you want. I'm going to show you some fun ones that I thought of and that I came up with, but this will probably open your mind to a bunch of other ideas that you think of on your own and you can look up on Canva. Also at the end, I'm going to show you how you can make your own graphic fonts in Canva so that you can have the absolute perfect font for whatever project you're wanting to make. So let's go check them out. Okay, so the first one we're going to look for is a bubble font. So I'm just going to go to Elements right here, and then I'm going to type in bubble letters, or you could do bubble letter, and then I'm just going to click on See All by the graphics. So you can see there's like these very bright colored ones. Then there's this that has some other colors on it. So as you go down, you'll see some different ones. So just scroll through and see what you like. So I'm just gonna go with this one right here to start because I think that one's really cute. It's almost kind of balloonish looking, but very bubbly. So if you want to change the colors of the letter, you can do that up here at the top. So like this is the darkest color, so this is going to change the outline. So I could change that to purple if I wanted. You see these magic recommendations, so click See All there, and it should show you all of the letters. If for some reason it doesn't show you all the letters, what you can do is click on one of them where the three dots are right here, and then click this View More by Kate Tour. It'll show you who created it, and you can just click on that and it'll take you to all of their things. So then you can just look through and see. And this person actually has another bubbly looking font here. So then you can go through and get all of those letters that way if they don't show up in the magic recommendations, but usually it does show up in the magic recommendations. So I'm gonna grab a couple more of these letters just so I can show you how you can size them down at the same time. So I have 3 letters here, and I'm just going to select them all at the same time, and then I can just size them down so that everything matches in size and you don't have to try to do it all separately. And then also you could line them up like this, and you can select them all that way and then change the size that way too. Now I also wanted to show you if you don't have a pro plan, because like this one is a pro and you'll see quite a few of them will be the pro plan ones. If you're on a free account, what you can do is type in whatever you want up here and then use this little icon and then go down and you can click free, and then that will just show you the free ones. Then that way you don't have to be frustrated that they're all pro and you can't use them. So that'll make it easier for you if you're on the free plan. I'm just going to quickly go through a bunch of these and show you kind of what the results are. I'm not going to put them on the canvas because I don't want to spend too much time. This is just kind of to get your wheels turning so that you can look up some ideas on your own or look up these on your own and use them. So the next one I'm going to look up is graffiti. So what I'm doing is putting letter after each thing. So I'm putting graffiti letter. The other thing that you can do is do alphabet instead of letter. So you could say graffiti alphabet. So you see here there are some different ones, kind of a more bubbly looking one. Next I'm going to do gradient. Now some of these you won't be able to change the color on, and some you can. So you'll just have to see once you put it on your canvas, it'll have the colors up here where you can change it if that's possible. So we have this one for gradient, this one gradient. That also is like neon too. And then here's this one, it's more like rainbowy looking. So you'll find quite a few options for each one. Okay, so now we'll do neon. So there's some different ones here. There's that one we saw before, but there's also this, and then this one with like the circle around it. And then these are so cool. And then this one almost reminds me of like Hollywood lights or something, maybe even like circus theme. Okay, so now we'll do floral. So there's all of these. I really like this one right here, how colorful it is, kind of like retro looking. And then look at this one, really nice and bright. That one would be really fun. Okay, so now we're gonna do retro. So this is really cool. These are, I think if you do like scrapbook letters, this will come up too. So it's like kind of like a ransom note or something like that. This one's cute too. Now we're gonna do polka dot. You could also try just doing dot and see what comes up with that. So look at these, so cute. And then we have that kind of scrapbook letter one with polka dots too. This one right here reminds me of Minnie Mouse. Okay, next we're gonna do animal print. Now I'm just doing animal print in general. If there's a specific animal print you want, you could put in like leopard or zebra or something like that. So we have kind of like a Dalmatian, then we have leopard, giraffe, zebra, cow. And you could do this with numbers too. Some of these letterings also have numbers that go with them. So just keep that in mind. So then we'll do striped. So we have this one, and then this one that has kind of like a dotted outline, which is really cute. And then this kind of is like scribbly, like for kids in elementary school or something. Then we have candy cane stripes. That one's so cute. It looks like real candy canes. And then this rainbowy one, kind of like tiger striped for kids. And then I'm gonna do sports. Now, again, you can do individual sports, baseball, basketball, football, soccer. So you can see we have baseball ones here, which are really cute. Those would look great on a black background or a colored background. And then we have these that are kind of like a letterman's jacket. So now I'm gonna do basketball because I saw a cute one that I think you guys will like. This one right here I think is really cute. It has all the different letters and they're very like bubbly looking. Okay, so let's look up cat now. Look at those, they're so cute. And then look at this one, it's like furry looking. That would be another something you could look up is like furry letter. Okay, let's look up coffee. So there's this one that's like coffee beans. And I think on this one you can change the colors, so you could make these darker if you wanted. Yeah, so you can change the colors on that one. I think they're a little light for coffee beans. And then as I was scrolling, I also saw this one that looks like a sprinkle cookie, which is really cute. Okay, now I'm gonna look at patriotic. These are gonna be great for 4th of July, Memorial Day, any of the patriotic holidays. So we have this nice American flag one. And then we have this that's a more like fun, I guess more childish looking one. Now we'll do Halloween. So we got some drippy blood looking ones. And then kind of like monstery, gooey looking ones. And then a different one like that. And then these are so cute with the spider webs. And I'm gonna do monster. So these are really cute for kids. Anything you are making for kids. Now I'm gonna do Easter. And there's these ones with the bunny ears, and then this that kind of looks like a Easter egg. And then these with the little bunny, those are so cute. Oh, look at this one. And then the carrot letters. Now I'm doing donut. So these look like chocolate iced donuts, and then this one with the sprinkles, and these pink ones with the sprinkles. Now I'm gonna do ice cream. So this one has some sprinkles on it. This is the ice cream cone print with the color at the top. This one looks more realistic. Next, I'm gonna do Valentine. So we have these. This has like little hearts as the cutouts, and then this one with the little hearts along the pattern. Now I'm doing Christmas. So this one's like a tree with lights. That is so cute. And then this snowman. Oh, and then this one. Oh my gosh, so cute. And this one's like Frozen. And then a reindeer, candy cane. And this one with the Santa hat. Now I'm gonna do gingerbread. And this is what I was saying, you can search specific things within like Christmas or whatever just to find different things. So we have some gingerbread looking cookies here, which are really cute. I like this one that has all the little like swirlies and stuff. That's really adorable. Oh, this one's very cute too. Has a lot more details on it. So next I'm gonna do bee. So these look like balloons here. And then these ones with the little bee face on them. And then these, that's so cute. And those with the, oh, with the honey and the little cute bees. And then dinosaur. So these will be really fun for kids, like these cute little dinosaur letters. If you were making like kids' birthday invitations or something like that, these would be so cute, or some kind of shirts for kids. So now another thing we can do is just type in alphabet and then the letter, whatever letter you want. So I'm gonna just start with A, and this will just give you different results than you've already seen probably. Anything you search is gonna be a little bit different. So I think this is the only one we've seen of these. Lots of cute different ones here. Oh, the strawberry one, that's so cute. A cactus, aw. I'm gonna show you one more thing so that you can make your own designs on your letters if you want to. We're gonna go to elements, and then we're gonna go down to frames right here and just click see all. And then I'm just gonna put in letter so I don't have to scroll through all of them. So you can see a few different styles of letters here. So I'll just grab this one right here just for the example. And then I'm gonna close this out, and I'm gonna find some kind of a background. So for this one, I'll do a sprinkle background. So you can go to graphics or photos, whichever one you want. So I'm gonna grab this one right here, and I'm just gonna drag it over and hold it on top of the letter. You can see when it's filling in the letter. You don't want it on the background part or anything like that. So you wanna drag it, don't just click, and then you wanna hold it, move it around until you get it so that it fills in the letter. And then you have your own sprinkle lettering that you made yourself. And I'm going to show you also, you can do this with literally any pattern. So I'm going to upload a background that I grabbed from Creative Fabrica from the AI. So I'm just going to drag it over until it fills in my letter. And then there I have this pretty watercolor flower letter that is completely unique. Like nobody else is probably going to have this same letter at all because I just made it myself. I hope that you're as excited about this as I am, because this really could change the game for your products, and you can make some things that are truly unique and really stand out from the crowd. If you want to see how you can make your own digital papers with Creative Fabrica AI, be sure to check out this video right here, and I will show you just how to do it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.